Kaymade-tech here again. Thank you for stopping by at my YouTube channel. All right, in our most recent video, I did show us how to perform a backup in Windows 2019 Virtual Machine Server. And in this video, we are going to do the same thing, something similar, but we're going to be doing this in Linux, and I'll be using my Kali Linux for this. All right. The first thing we need to do, we need to identify what I want to back up. So let me just do ls here. So I see this. I can back up Empire. I see Empire here also, and maybe it's the downloads. So I'm going to try to back up 3 directories. So let's clear this. So the first thing I need to do is to create a backups name. So I'll do touch backup.sh. sh is the extension for what's the name? Is the extension for um the bash shell. All right, the bash, that's the shell. Okay, so now that I've created that, so all I need to do now is to nano into it. I use a different one, so I'll go get edit backup.shell. Now this is where the fun part starts. We need to put in this Shaban to let the system know that this is a bash script. Just like we did in the last video, I will be putting down what each line of script will do. All right, so this is going to back up. This is where we're going to put the files we want to be backed up. All right, so that'll be up directories. All right, so I said home tech. I said Empire. I know I saw one with caps and the other without caps. Boom, boom. A tech Empire. And I said downloads. Boom, a tech. All right, so we have succeeded in getting the directories we want to download. Sorry, backup. So the next step is to set the backup directory. So where do we want this to be backed up? So we're going to continue. Equals kaymade-tech. All right, so what it says is that this is where we want all the backups from those directories to go to. All right, so supposing we don't have that directory, all right, so we can create. So mk, that's make directory. All right, so says make directory to this, make directory to home kaymade backups. All right. So we would also like to have the current date that this directory was made, sorry, the backup was made. It's important so we can always, so let's assume we're doing things monthly, daily, we could always know, okay, I ran this on this date and I also ran it on this date, right? Why? As the year, the month, and the date. This is where we need to put in our code to perform that backup. So for dir direct. So what you need to know is that most of all these languages have different weights written, and you need to understand, yeah, because if we're going to run a Python script, it will be totally different from what we see here. And the same thing, I think I did show you recently. I mean, if you have not, you might need to go watch my previous video where I wrote I didn't write though. I posted different scripts. I used a Python. I used what's the name? Ruby. Yes, I use Perl. Yeah, to do various tasks. So it's important that we understand this, otherwise we might be confusing because they all have different syntax. Any miss code will always give us an error. So we need to be sure we get the right thing. Cool. Right. Done. Cool. Backup. Com- All right, so this is our code. Hopefully, I didn't miss out anything. Um, All right, so if there's a mistake, it's what the beautiful thing about the shell, it gives us the line that we did make that mistake. So the next thing we need to do is let's give this particular file executable, right? Backup.sh. Awesome. So now let's run this. All right, let's just give it a minute. Awesome. So our backup is complete, as you can see here. So just to verify where it's located, let's do ls here, and we should see backup. All right, that's it, backup. So let's change directory to the backup file, backup or backups. All right, ls. Oh, why is it not giving that? The backups. It say it backed up at this Empire, right? Downloads, backup complete. All right. All right, so this is where our backup is. It's in the backup file, and as you can see, this is it here. All right. All right, so that will be the end of this video. Yeah, so I had to use the ls-al in order to see our backups. All right. Thanks so much, and please like, share, and also subscribe if you have not. And I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.